This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. I'm going to go ahead and flip this inside out. I've already marked the center point. I thought I did, yeah. On both sides, the top and the bottom, I mean. And then we're going to grab that. Pull the sleeves into each other. See if we got that smooth enough there. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark this out because I'm going to do a scrunch and then some accordion folds. I'm thinking. Looks like that's about the middle. Yeah, we'll go with that. So this side I'm going to go ahead and go, what, 1, 2, 3 inches? 3 inches. Alright, and then I'm going to try and just guesstimate where that lines up on this side. Right there. And then we'll go ahead and go 1 inch on this side. But we'll give it a try. Okay. Forgot the connecting lines. Let's see how it's scrunched though. Yeah, that's really disgusting. Alright, we'll scrunch this up. Alright, pull that together and drop in a rubber band across this. I don't like how I scrunched it. Let's try this again. Okay, we'll do a dividing line in here. And we'll see if we can't. This may not work. I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to start from this back side and just see how far I can get with it. If I go every other, that'll work. I don't know, that might have worked. Alright, let's put a rubber band on this. What do you think? Think this might work? Let's pull this back down to here. Alright, and then this. Since we're that far, let's go ahead and move some of these around. We'll give this a try, see how this turns out. Off to die. Okay, I'm going to be using Black Cherry from Dharma, Oxblood Red from Dharma, Amethyst from Dharma, Orange from Custom Colors, Banana Yellow from Grateful Dyes, Deep Space from Dharma, Shiitake Mushroom from Dharma, and maybe Raven Black. Depends if I decide to pour that into the bottom or not. We'll just see how it goes. Alright, that's the edge of the t-shirt, so that's where yeah. We'll just start applying dye. It's random application. I'm going to add some deep orange too. And some power berry. And some maroon. And I'm going to do some charcoal gray, starting in here. Some gunmetal. Some pewter. And some kind of crappy black from Grateful Dyes. Alright, I'm probably going to add some soda ash and a little bit more ice. And we'll see what happens. Okay, I've made some heated Raven's Black. It's at about 100 degrees or so. I'm going to pour this into the bottom of the tray and just kind of let things happen. Okay, that's about a quarter of the way up for the entire thing. Not the container, the actual tie-dye. Roughly. Okay, we'll let that sit and we'll see how things go. Alright, let's wash this out. Alrighty, looks like a solid black shirt. Throw that in the wash and then we'll see what comes out. Front and back. Not gonna lie, when I poured the Raven in, a couple of minutes after putting the ice down, I thought, this is probably a really big mistake and the whole thing's going to be ruined and just become a solid black. Okay, based on what I'm seeing here, I probably should have let it sit for maybe 30 minutes of the ice melting, maybe, just to get a little more detail into it. But otherwise, I like this. This looks cool. Yeah. I'm very happy with this. Other than that, though, I mean, yeah. I think I'll do another and give it about 30 minutes before putting the Raven in. The heated Raven. This is cool. Alright. Thoughts, opinions, comments, suggestions, whatever, post it down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.